It is great to have AISL's International Day front and center in front of so many people. I love that the students were out there celebrating their nationalities, and also all of us coming together to celebrate the world we live in. It is a great community, the AISL community. What a great day it is to be an Eagle.
As we celebrate today, let's remember that international is not just about where we come from, but it's about where we're going together. Congratulations to everyone who worked so hard to make this international celebration possible. Thank you and happy International Day.
How are you? This is Korean food and it tastes so good. I love Korean food. You should try some.
Hello. Hi, we love AISL. We're Egyptians. Hey, we love you, Lagos.
International Day is the favorite day of the year for me in the school. It just showcases our fantastic community, the love, the vibe.
This is my 10th year in Nigeria. So International Day is always a day of pride for every nation to come together without politics, celebrating humanity and culture and connection to the land and the roots and our heritage.